So I got a new shift knob for the E30 and I got some new hood emblems. Now I'm super excited about this because the hood emblem seems like it doesn't make a huge difference, but it does. And the ones that are on the car right now are completely just faded and destroyed. And I think some people have no idea that it's even a BMW from the back or maybe even from the front. And I remember I was sitting in the car in the driveway and this girl walked by with her boyfriend or whoever he was to her. They walked by and then they whispered and then she whispered to him, "It's a BMW," laughing. So she was like, they were looking at this car like, what is that? And then they realized it was a BMW. So I definitely want to put the new hood badges and the emblem and the trunk on because they're way too faded, totally aged. It's totally showing its age. And changing this, it seems like it's not a big difference, but it makes a huge difference. And I also got a new ZF shift knob. This shift knob not only looks really nice, it's a little bit shorter, it's weighted, and it makes your throws a little bit better, and it makes it just entirely feel better. It seems like it seems like it wouldn't make a gigantic difference, but it actually does. It's very easy. Just pull the old shifter on, put this right back on. No need to remove the boot or anything like that, which I will be getting soon as well. So yeah, let me just show you guys the before and afters, and that's really it. This isn't really a how-to because I'm sure a lot of you are just F30 owners, but if this helps anybody, just let me know down below and let me know what you guys think of this new shift knob and the new hood emblems. All right, in order to take off your shift knob, go ahead and throw it into fourth. If yours is very hard to take off and you can't really get a good leverage to pull it off, this will give you a better angle if you want. But if it comes off easy, which it does in my case, you can leave it in neutral, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead and pull straight up. And once you've done that, I guess you could take this time to compare the two, set it on like a flat surface, and you can clearly see the new one is a good 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches shorter than the old one. It looks a lot nicer. The leather and everything just looks a lot better. You can clearly see the age on this, and this feels a lot more sturdy, which is what you want, and it'll help your throws feel a lot more stiff. So go ahead and look at the bottom of this. You can see like there's a little line that'll line up with this, or you can just make sure that everything's straight forward and just place it on this and just push straight down. You should hear that little click, and that means it's on there good. Once it's on there, oh my god, it already feels better. But you see, like, this is a little bit harder to pull off. Like, I can't even pull it off now, which is great. This feels, wow, oh my god, that made a huge difference. And I'm not even driving yet. That feels so much better. Even this leather just feels so much better. Like, just changing gears, like the throw feels a lot shorter, and that's sweet. I can't wait to drive the car with this now. So now let's go ahead and do the hood emblems, and then we're pretty much done. All right, now it's time to change the hood emblem. Go ahead and grab a trim remover and a towel so you don't scratch up the paint. I know it doesn't really matter so much because the car's paint is so deep, but it still hurts my soul to see that. So I'm gonna use a trim remover and a towel so I can just like use it like this so I don't scratch up the paint too much. Just go ahead and just pry evenly from like 3 o'clock and then do some from 9 o'clock. You should be good. I'm really trying to keep the towel underneath, but it's very hard. You can pop the hood if you want and also push up from the bottom from the pins if you want. You can do that as well. Once you got the trim tool all around, pretty much just keep going back and forth, left and right. So you do it nice and even. And we're out. Check that out. Look at that difference, man. I can't wait to put this on here. If you have some spray wax laying around, go ahead and just spray this down so you can get all this dirt out as much as possible. It's just a good thing to do since the emblem's already out. And then we can just go ahead and push this straight back down, and then we're pretty much done with the front. And now to place the new emblem right on. Go ahead and line up these holes. Push down. Right on, there you go. And then probably the most satisfying part, peel off the protective. Ooh, that looks sick. Check out this before and after, guys. Here's the before, and here's the after. Huge difference, am I right? Now the rear badge is the same process as the front. Just use your microfiber towel and just pry out the badge, and then that's really it. So with the magic of editing, boom, just like that, we are done. New badge looks sick. Go ahead and peel this off. Ooh, damn, check that out. Oh my god, that looks so great. That looks sick. Check out this before and after. It's crazy how such a small thing could make such a big difference. It's like, and the badges were like 10 bucks each. It wasn't even a huge deal. And now the car looks like a BMW, unlike some random what the hell this is thing, you know? All right, so the badges are now on and the shift knob is on. I think the car's front looks fantastic. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, if I should black out the kidneys or just leave them like that. It does look really classy. This is the only car where I think the chrome grille can stay. you know what I'm saying? Because you guys know I used to hate that chrome grille on the F30, but I think I'm gonna let it rock. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think the shift knob looks fantastic, and the only thing I don't like about the shift knob is the fact that it looks so new compared to the rest of the interior. So I'm definitely gonna have to do something about the boot. I found a couple on eBay. I'll definitely be changing those soon, along with the emergency brake boot, whatever you want to call it. But the car definitely looks good with the new badges. I'm really surprised how good it looks. Now this car has better and nicer and newer badges than the F30. Quick update on the F30. It is completely fine, still running good, running strong. I haven't been driving it much lately though, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. A lot of you saw on Instagram, I was jokingly saying that my mirror caps got stolen. That was a joke. I sent them to Best Service Auto Body to get them painted black. I was just not digging the carbon fiber that was on the car before. So huge shout out to Best Service Auto Body. Check out their Instagram down below. Remember guys, they are not just a modification shop, they are actually a full-on collision shop. It just so happens that the guys over there have the knowledge to do modifications to your car and install little mods like this and that, especially with Mike being there doing coding as well. So huge shout out to Best Service Auto Body for hooking me up with these side view mirror caps. Let me know what you guys think with it blacked out, matching the whole car. Wheels are coming super soon. That's really it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.